Vivo X100, a powerful smartphone with a stunning display. Vivo has launched its latest flagship smartphone, the Vivo X100, on November 13, 2023. The Vivo X100 is a powerful device that offers a stunning display, a triple rear camera setup, and a long-lasting battery. Here's some key features and specifications of the Vivo X100. The Vivo X100 features a 6.78-inch touchscreen display that offers a resolution of 1260 into 2800 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. The display has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which means it can deliver smooth and fluid visuals. It has a sleek and elegant design with a metal frame and a glass back. It comes in 4 colors: Chenier Black, Star Trail Blue, Sunset Orange, and White Moonlight. The Vivo X100 also has an IP68 rating, which means it's dust and water resistant. The Vivo X100 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor, which is a 5G-enabled chipset that can handle multitasking and gaming with ease. It has 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which can store plenty of apps, photos, videos, and music. The Vivo X100 runs on Android 14 with Vivo's custom skin Origin OS 4 on top. The Vivo X100 has a 5000 mAh battery, which can last for a whole day on a single charge. It also supports proprietary fast charging, which can quickly replenish the battery. The Vivo X100 has a triple camera setup on the rear, which consists of a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. The Vivo X100 can capture stunning photos and videos in various modes and scenarios, such as portrait, night, panorama, and macro. The Vivo X100 also has a 32-megapixel front camera, which can take selfies and make video calls. It has various connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi, GPS, NFC, USB OTG, and USB Type-C. The Vivo X100 also has an in-display fingerprint sensor, which can unlock the phone securely and conveniently.